What's up, YouTubes? Yeah, it's a fucking casino, Serrano. You're all fucking mad. What's up? XRP is so close. How's it gonna behave? I wonder. Hide your bookmark bar. Yeah, I could. Let me see if I can try that. Like that? No better? Alright. That's creeping up. My position's now 14%. Raw profit, baby. Get rid of this sidebar too, huh? Actually, no, because you need the price. Big numbers, mate. It'd be cool if you could draw a box that had the price, giving you the live price. It'd be way better. Let's jump down to the 1 minute. See if this makes all-time high on this chart. Seems to be pretty decent speed getting there. It's pretty close. Pretty much I have $3.4033 as the all-time high, at least on this chart. Let me have a look on coin market cap, because there's a few different places that report different all-time highs for XRP, so it's hard to sort of know which one's which, or which one's true. So it says, okay, well, on coin market cap it says the all-time high is $3.84 on January the 4th, 2018. 8 years ago. I don't know if I agree with that price, because I don't think any exchange hit that level, that price, but I'm all for it. If we can make a brand new one and it's way above 384, let's make it go above, cleanly above $4. That would be awesome. What's up, MG? What's up, Doge Catcher? Floki's Angels. Hello everyone, super happy you are doing a live stream today. Really been down in spirits, haven't even been trading, to be honest. Oh, that's no good. Saw this pop up and started to feel a little better. Oh, that's nice, man. My chart today now. You should. Do it. Yeah, we're so close. I think we will get it. It's just a matter of time now. I don't know how many other altcoins are this close to their all-time high, like, and going into price discovery. I'm just gonna have a quick look across to the top 8. Go on like the weekly chart. Obviously Bitcoin's, you know, been in price discovery already. Ethereum is racing back up, so that's cool. XRP's so close already. Solana did an all-time high earlier this year on the 13th of January, or the week of. So, and I think BNB hasn't done one yet, nor Doge, or Cardano, or Tron. Or maybe Tron has, actually. I don't know if this has all of Tron's history on it, but Tron's doing very well anyway. Bit of a historic day, potentially. See how it goes. It's a snapshot. $292.40 was my entry. Now it's at $332.42. 40% up on a 3x long. Not too bad. I'm sure there's better, but whatever. Bitcoin's on a nice bounce again, approaching 120. I think I've got a good split screen somewhere. Yeah, here. Next up, well, Bitcoin's coming out of this kind of chunky falling wedge that's only done a couple of touches on the top side, and like you could argue just one touch on the bottom. Like, because I don't know, you don't really start a wedge on like the weird price action that starts on the way up. It usually starts from here, like it'll race up, start there, and then your first point of reference for the bottom is the first touch on the pullback. And then say it did this, say it went like that, then that, and then that, and that, and then broke out. This would then become a line more like that, where it links up. And the first low is like from the first pullback kind of thing. But it doesn't matter. What matters is that it's like breaking out on the top side, so don't really need that line there. As long as you got this one. This line's a bit off. Like that. Don't mind me, it's like 4:22 a.m. my time. I had to wake up. I like jumped out of bed and then raced to put the stream on because I wanted to capture the moment. Well, this could really take hours, we don't know. Or it could happen in the next 5 minutes. We'll have to find out. Bitcoin is excited about something. I don't know if those bills have now finally passed. I'm gonna check the news websites. Give me 1 second. Check Crypto Panic. Shout out to Serrano for reminding me what that website was. I'll read out some of the headlines. President Trump is in favor of eliminating Bitcoin capital gains taxes on payments. OpenAI launches ChatGPT agent that can handle real-world tasks from start to finish. Rare signal that preceded 630% XRP gain has just flashed again, according to Crypto Trader. It's from the Daily Hodl website. Myriad moves. Will XRP and Ethereum hit all-time highs? And when pump airdrop? Oh, the PUMP coin, the pump.fun. I haven't even looked at that chart, but... Anyway, I'm not really gonna talk too much. I just wanted to capture the moment on the stream of when the all-time high happens. If it's gonna happen soon. I think there's gonna be a bit of like touch and go. That's what usually happens when you sort of get up to an old line. Some people front run it and they sell before it gets there in fear that it won't make it, I suppose. This could just be some like partial profit taking. Anyway, I'm going to let this run. I'll just let the stream sort of do its thing. Put it on autopilot. And I'm just going to watch it from a distance. Alright, I'll be back when I'm back. Whenever that is. Could be half an hour, could be an hour or two. But I'm just going to leave this up just for the sake of recording the all-time high. Because it could get really crazy. Like, once it gets through that all-time high, it could start pushing really fast. And like, you know, you could be at $4 before you know it. But we will see. Alright. Enjoy. Almost. Very close. What's the highest price so far? $3.36.42 in this push. I believe the U.S. House of Representatives, like the Congress, they're voting on the Genius Act right now, or one of the other crypto bills. Let me check it out.
Teenagers are building businesses with AI.
Sorry about the ads. That's what it's looking like. I don't know how many yays you need. I'm guessing it's just a majority. 63 to 23, 64 to 23 so far. Republican heavy bill. Democrats, a lot of them don't want it. That's cool that 14 do. It's good. The yays are definitely climbing quickly. So is XRP's all-time high price. It's getting there. Very close. Time to go full screen XRP, I think. Jump down to the 1 minute chart. Here we go. It's getting so close. I do apologize if there's any alarms that go off when the all-time high happens, because I got an alert set. You'll see. Where's this little video? Well, the votes are rapidly coming in now. I don't know how it works. Like, what is it? You need more than... As long as there's no more yays than nays? I don't know. Maybe someone in the comments can tell me. You need like a majority, or... Sorry, that's the same question. Majority. Or is it a specific number that you need for it to pass? Wow. These are some big buys coming in on XRP. 2.3 million, 1.8 million. See on the right here. Well, I'm going to jump into Bee's Discord channel and stream the screen. See if we can get some of the family in here. So close, but yet so far. Not quite there yet. Let's see how that vote is going in the Congress. 202 yays. 135 haven't voted yet. Google. How many yays do you need for a bill to pass in Congress? How many? Oh, okay. To pass a bill in the US Congress, it needs a simple majority vote in both the House of Representatives and the Senate. This means more than half of the members present. And voting must vote in favor of the bill. So it just needs a majority. More than half. Well, they're definitely more than half right now. It's a bit of a landslide so far. There's still 108 votes to go. But XRP loves it either way. Whether it's finished or not, XRP's going for it. I guess because it looks so highly likely. Oh look, it's getting an ad. There's a big buy. 3 million all at once. while this is rolling, I am gonna jump in on my phone to the voice channel. I'll leave the main account in there. See if this works. This will probably come through twice. Alright, just gonna put on my headphones or my earbuds and go. I'm just about to go drive out and get a coffee. Coffee time. Adjust the volume a little. Oh no, the music's not too bad, actually. The aggregator's doing funny things. There's only 46 more people to vote, 45. Oh, here we go. This is a pretty big push right here. The aggregator is going to get so loud. I do apologize for that. It's going to start erupting. This bill is quite popular. XRP, apparently quite popular too. Interesting to see that there's one vote for nay in the Republicans. Just one. Someone's going against the grain. Don't think Trump would be very happy with them. It is so close. Wonder how many people will sell the result of it getting through, like a sell the news event. And then we have like an initial like rejection off the all-time high. Double top, maybe, but we will see. I'm just going to quickly look at, I think this is pretty much a majority. I think we're pretty much there. If they all vote yay, the remaining 8, that puts it at 299 versus 133. See how they vote. What are these last 6 people doing? Not putting their vote in. Taking forever. There we go, another one ticks up for the yays. Well, this is the bill. I'll put it in here. Let me make the text a little bigger as well, so you can read it. Don't know if that's going to be too big. Yeah, that should be decent. Maybe green's better on the eyes. Can't quite fit it into the space. There we go. So we're at $3.38.40. $3.38.49 is the current high. It's pushing. 4 people left to vote. Looks like it's gonna pass. This bill establishes a regulatory framework for digital commodities, defined by the bill as digital assets that rely upon a blockchain for their value. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission must generally regulate digital commodities transactions, including digital commodity exchanges, brokers, and dealers. To qualify for trade on an exchange, 1, a digital commodities blockchain must be mature or in a blockchain system that has achieved decentralized control as defined by the bill, or 2, the issuer of the digital commodity must file certain reports. The bill establishes requirements for trade monitoring, record keeping, and the commingling of customer assets. The bill exempts digital commodities on mature blockchains and digital commodities on blockchains expected to mature within certain timeframes from Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, registration requirements if annual sales fall under a certain amount of, and other requirements are met. The bill provides the SEC with jurisdiction over digital commodity activities and transactions engaged in by certain brokers and dealers on alternative trading systems and by national securities exchanges. Digital commodity exchanges, brokers, and dealers are subject to the Bank Security Act for anti-money laundering and related purposes. The bill also sets forth requirements for alternative trading systems, previously issued digital commodities, and provisional registration until the bill is implemented. Well, that's very wordy. All right, I'm going to go back to this. I think, did someone, I think the speaker said something, maybe? Just gonna go back, see if I can. Oh, I can't even scrub back to it. So this is the new bill. This is a different one. S1582. Let me just see what that is. Oh, this is the Genius Act. So the first one was the Clarity Act, which made it through, and then this is the Genius Act. And that looks pretty like it's got a majority already. So close to an all-time high, so very close. Oh, here we go. It's all cascading in now. I think there's going to be a bump first, maybe. I don't know, there's two styles. Maybe this is the bump, this little pullback. It's either going to bump back or just erupt through it. I don't think it's just going to like zigzag across it. It's usually like a rejection or a complete, you know, eruption through the old all-time high line. Now this all-time high, by the way, that only came in January this year. So it's not like an old all-time high. The older one, the 2018 all-time high, was $3.31, I think. So we're already above that. It's down here, like 331.80 or 331.70 or something like that. Here it goes. There we go. New all-time high. That was my alert sound effect. Sorry about that if it was loud. So someone's saying $3.84 is the all-time high. You are terribly incorrect, mate. Okay. Well, which exchange had $3.84? Because I haven't been able to find that. I'm happy for it to be $3.84. Oh, here she goes. 1 minute. So this one's the Genius Act. Okay, apparently Coinbase. Let's have a look. I'll check it. I'll check it out. Let me see. Look at that. It touched it, and now it's like sort of. So this is at least the Bybit all-time high, and the Bitstamp all-time high was 331.70. So XRP US dollar Coinbase, I'm guessing. Well, the
If you're
data
a busy professional and you've made some money, but you're at a stage
must
in
be
your life
old.
where you...
So January the 3rd, 2018, Coinbase, huh? Well, bit of a sell happening. This one's getting through a lot easier. Although the last one did get through easy. Kind of expecting an initial rejection. A lot of all-time highs do this, like it'll dance around the all-time high for a bit before going into proper price discovery, like proper expansion, I think. This might be the sell the news event. Clarity Act and the Genius Act going through. It's getting volatile. Three people left to vote. Oh. 5:42 a.m. They're definitely toying around with this all-time high, aren't they? Well, this, what I've got marked as an all-time high. You know what? We could certainly call it the cycle high, because this is the price that we got to back in January, $3.4033. Yeah, let's quickly check the company's market cap. Bitcoin is the 5th largest asset in the world, according to this list. I think Ethereum comes in at 26th, and good old XRP should be somewhere on this list. There it is, 85th. It's just underneath PepsiCo. Macca's, McDonald's, 214 billion. It's a lot of companies and a lot of money. Makes up the stock market. These laggards. 3 people still left to vote. Time's up, guys. What kind of knockback that was so far off the high. A 1.6% dip. Three people have not voted yet. Probably these idiots standing up, talking, having conversations, and not getting to work. You gotta vote, yo. Get your votes in. Becoming a bit of a bigger pullback. Rejection off all-time high.
It's not crafty. It's your craft.
Yo, Qui-Gon.
Yeah, let's go, homie. Did your
Just
XRP
watch.
make ATH yet? Or
Yeah. It kissed it. It touched it, and it's like bounced back off it for now. But I think it's just getting like an initial bump rejection off the all-time high, and it's I don't know.
Yeah,
It's
it's
trying to
natural.
it's trying to put the brakes on.
It didn't swing
The
fail.
you could argue yes that it almost did.
Well,
The
it didn't make a higher high.
Oh, by like a fraction of a cent, it did on my chart. But
And
yeah,
there's no like crazy ass wicks. I mean, yeah, I'm kind of
not
looking
too
at it
crazy. Yeah, the Genius Act is being voted on right now in the U.S. House.
now. Yeah, it's been the talk of the town all day.
Yep, I think the Clarity Act passed already, and I think this has passed. There's only 3 people left to vote, and it's like 307 yay, and then 122 nay. So there's a big majority there for the Genius Act. So that should pass, right? Is that how it works?
Yeah, I mean, it's most likely gonna pass.
Yeah. So Clarity made it through. Now we've just got to wait for Genius.
Oh yeah,
Just
let's
gonna see
go.
what.
I mean, I closed my short. I probably shouldn't have been shorting anyway, but I closed my short because I was like, you know what, this shit ain't working.
Oh, which one are
I
you
thought
shorting?
I was shorting Bitcoin, but I was like,
Oh,
you know
how
what,
is
this
Bitcoin?
whole friggin' crypto week. I thought it was gonna be like a sell the news thing, and I was gonna dump the whole time they were doing it,
That
voting on it. But
I did. Yeah, I suspected that too. I was like, oh, that it's gonna, yeah, just like that. Yeah, but it
it
seems to
just
be.
like people have been trying to pump it. Like even Asia was trying to force it up last night. So I
Yeah,
was like, you know what, screw this. It's probably not gonna hit these targets before it comes back to my entries. I'm just gonna take what I got.
yeah. Fair enough.
Try again next time. I'll probably short something there. I probably shouldn't be shorting Bitcoin. Probably should be something else. I just wanted to short that rising wedge, but it didn't even make it to the measured move, so that's pretty strong.
Yeah. So did you have longs going as well, or
Nah, I didn't.
you've only tried to short?
Yeah, that rising wedge from yesterday, I was trying to short that, and then I figured it would go down for like another day or so, but to
Oh,
like,
okay.
sort of retest some levels. That was the only setup I took from yesterday.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I'm kind of sad that it didn't work out, but it is what it is. Can't be freaking shorting into price discovery, apparently.
gonna close that Congress video. I think we get the point that it's passed. I'm gonna go get a coffee. I've got alarms and alerts set. I'm gonna leave this stream up as well. May as well keep chatting with you boys. Well, you boy. No one's, I don't know where everyone is. Everyone's sort of...
I don't know, dude. It's
Yeah.
friggin' hot out today.
Yeah.
People are probably at the beach.
Probably.
It's like a really hot sunny day.
Hmm.
I'm out driving around. I'm like, damn, dude, this is gotta be the hottest day of the year so far. Like, just the feel of it. I don't know how hot in degrees it is exactly. I haven't looked. But freaking hot.
Yeah, damn. It's the opposite here. I mean, it's not your kind of cold, but it's my kind of cold.
Yeah. Like 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, although currently it's probably like about, because the sun hasn't come up yet, so it's probably the coldest point of the day. I'm not sure
like
what
it
that
probably
means.
it probably doesn't
temperature-wise.
even get as cold there during the winter as it does here during like the spring or the fall.
Yeah, that's
Like,
right.
It's crazy.
You're in North America, so you're pretty high up there. Especially you,
yeah.
you're pretty high up there. You're almost Canadian, mate.
Almost.
Almost.
Foley is closer to Canadian than I am, though.
Yeah. Yeah, Vermont is
I
pretty
wouldn't be
close.
able to handle the winters up there. It's bad enough here.
Yeah. Whoop, more cells coming through on XRP. I can hear it with the aggregator. I don't have eyes on the chart at the moment. I'm gonna get a coffee. I'm still in it long. I'm thinking maybe I should have taken a portion maybe at the high there, but that's alright.
Just figured I'd
I
pop.
got some stops and pop.
Say what's up.
I'm hoping that like the initial
Hi, dude.
like double tap,
What are you, a noob?
like it'll get over it and then it'll rally back up eventually. We'll see. So close. My voice might drop out.
Hey, you can't expect it to go on a price discovery on its first attempt.
Yeah,
But
like it
pretty
might
impressive
make it.
back at the ATH.
See if it can convert it into a blue sky breakout price discovery type deal. They're probably just shaking out all of the local longs before really taking it up. I don't know. Speculation. Either way, I think there's going to be some like other coins, of course, that are going to have their rally.
When it gets back there. When it gets
Yeah.
back there, all the people that are like, oh, I should have sold it when it was at that high. Like now they're all
Yeah.
selling.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, they're all like sort of doubting another come up. A little bit paranoid. I don't blame them. It is kind of nerve-wracking. I think Doge is yet to really do an impressive run, you know? But I think it's coming. I think it will happen. Just not its turn just yet. Dogecoin. And then, like, of course, Ethereum, I think, will, get back to all-time high. I'm gonna get a big latte with like 4 shots of coffee in it. That'll wake me up. That'll get the engines firing on all cylinders. Yeah, still bleeding down. Got the coffee. Coffee secured. Well, it looks like the play was to sell at
You got a
$3.40,
coffee
and
that fast?
then rebuy it. Yeah, the coffee place is not far from my house. So look, yeah, it looks like the play was
Yeah.
to sell 340 and buy back at like almost 330 because it pulled back a whole 10 cents.
Yeah, man, you always gotta sell at all time. The previous all-time high, you always gotta shave off a little.
Yeah. Unless it's the time where it just erupts through it, because that has happened. I've seen some coins do
No,
that.
like when it approaches it for the first time, like sell off a little and then see what it does, and then choose to
and then
do the
potentially
rest later if you
add
want.
back in on the pullback. Yeah. That's one tactic.
Or just hold the dry powder.
Yeah. Yeah, there's many ways to play it. So what have you been trading at the lately? Just those short attempts? And is that all you've sort of...
Yeah, just Bitcoin, but I'm getting bored of it. And if we do go into some sort of crazy alt season, then I'll probably just start trading the alts instead. I might even just do it on spot instead of perpetuals.
Fair enough. Yeah, the bull market's been pretty crazy. As in, it hasn't been clear on what it's doing like in previous cycles. Previous cycles were a lot easier, I think. These ones have been a bit back and forth, round trippy, lots of manipulation and liquidations all over the place. No, it just lost the 330 mark. Proper retracement. House of Cards, man. House of Cards.
Yeah, see, this is the power of like you can compound it if you were to take profit at that high, like at the previous all-time high. Like the thing is, like almost everybody tries to. Like it's the thing, so that's why it's almost like guaranteed that you're gonna see some sort of reaction. But like the power in it comes from, you can be like, oh well, what if it just breaks out and goes higher and goes into price discovery, and it's like, well, yeah, but what if it doesn't? Like have a plan for both, and that's why the whole in half out, or even 20% out or whatever.
Yeah,
like 20% out is still good. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Like at least you took profit on 20% of it.
That's it. And if it just breaks out, at least you got 80% in to go realize the gains.
Yeah, or you could just drag your stop up on the rest of it and try to reposition somewhere.
Yeah.
Just take action, though. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, true. Yes, indeed. Well, there's got to be a bounce somewhere, right?
Yeah, but it might not be so much later.
Yeah, maybe the push to price discovery will happen next week or something. It might take time for it to get rocking and rolling again. Who knows? Or it could happen today.
or when the ETF hype train comes in. Well, technically, we got a new all-time high, technically speaking. $3.40.52.
Switch back to the PC. Computer. And what is that drop from the high there? Oh, it fell 3.44%. That's the thing, like 3.44% ain't much. Like when you look at like the ultra alts, like the smaller cap coins that go up, you know, 20-30% in one day. So a little bump. This is like a little bump, I guess. I do kind of look forward to yeah, like getting a spot position in so that it's not dangerous on an altcoin, and then riding that up with like a decent chunk, like a decent size, you know. It's like the risk would be getting stuck in it, I guess, but as long as you got a stop loss. Anyway, we got that all-time high, I guess. I'm gonna wrap this stream up, and if anything exciting happens, I'll be sure to like come back and turn the stream back on and whatnot. But thanks for tuning in, YouTubes. This was just to sort of like record the you know, the event if something incredible happened. Well, I mean, the Clarity and Genius Act got passed, and we hit a technical new all-time high on XRP, so that's kind of cool. It wasn't for nothing. Alright, I'll be back later, most likely. Peace.
Later, tubes.